Welcome to House Lux Estate, the channel that empowers you to build a successful business. Today, we're diving into a topic that's revolutionizing industries worldwide: artificial intelligence, or as it's more commonly known, AI. In an era where technology is the driving force behind growth and innovation, AI has emerged as a game changer. It's not just for tech giants anymore. Businesses of all sizes are harnessing the power of AI to enhance their operations, offer personalized customer experiences, and make data-driven decisions. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech whiz to start an AI-powered business. This video is all about breaking down the process into manageable steps, demystifying the world of AI, and showing you how you can leverage it for your entrepreneurial ventures. No matter your tech experience, you can launch and grow an AI-powered business. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. But first, what is AI and why does it matter in business? Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But why does AI matter in business, you might ask? Well, AI can dramatically improve business performance by automating routine tasks, generating insights from data, engaging with customers, and aiding in decision-making. It's like having a superpowered assistant that never sleeps, constantly learns, and helps you make smart business decisions. Now, let's look at a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and creating successful businesses. In the healthcare industry, AI is used to predict diseases, personalize treatment, and even assist in surgeries. Companies like Zebra Medical Vision use AI algorithms to read medical imaging data and detect diseases early. In the retail sector, AI is used to personalize shopping experiences and optimize supply chains. Have you ever wondered how Amazon knows exactly what you want to buy next? That's their AI-powered recommendation engine at work. And let's not forget about the transportation industry. Self-driving cars, anyone? Companies like Waymo and Tesla are pioneering the use of AI in autonomous vehicles, revolutionizing our concept of transportation. Also, in the field of customer service, AI chatbots are providing round-the-clock support and improving customer satisfaction. Take the example of the company Ada, which offers an AI-powered platform that automates customer engagement. These examples just scratch the surface of AI's potential. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can be harnessed in countless ways to create value, drive innovation, and build successful businesses. Now that we understand the power of AI, let's delve into how you can harness it for your business. The first step in starting an AI-powered business is identifying a business opportunity. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt. You're looking for a gem hidden within layers of ordinary stones. That gem is your business opportunity. It's a problem that exists, a gap in the market, a need that hasn't been met, or simply a better way to do something. And the layers of stones, those are the industries, sectors, and niches that you have to sift through. So how do you identify this gem? Start by immersing yourself in the industry you're interested in. Become an expert, understand the challenges, and listen to the people in that field. This will help you identify the problems that need solving. Let's consider a few examples. In healthcare, AI can be used to predict diseases and provide early intervention. In finance, it can improve risk assessment and fraud detection. In retail, AI can offer personalized customer experiences and optimize inventory management. These are all gems waiting to be unearthed. It's also essential to keep an eye on the latest AI technologies and trends. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and what might not have been possible yesterday could be achievable today. For instance, advancements in natural language processing have opened up opportunities in sectors like customer service and content creation. Once you've identified an opportunity, the next step is to validate your idea. So, let's move on to the next chapter of our journey. Validating your business idea is crucial before you invest time and resources into it. This is a principle that holds true whether you're launching a bakery or an AI-powered enterprise. But how does one validate a business idea? Well, the first step is often market research. This involves identifying your target customer base and understanding their needs. Look at the existing market. Is there a gap that your AI business can fill? Researching the competition is also a key part of this process. Look at what they're doing and how you can do it better. Consider conducting a SWOT analysis, identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to your business idea. In addition to market research, customer interviews can be a goldmine of information. Remember, you're not just selling a product or service, you're solving a problem for your customers. So ask them about their pain points. What problems do they face that your business idea can solve? Their feedback can help refine your idea, making it more tailored to their needs. Surveys and questionnaires can also be useful tools. They can provide quantitative data that can complement the qualitative data from your customer interviews. Remember, validation is not a one-time event, but a continual process. As your business grows and evolves, keep checking in with your customers and the market. With a validated business idea, you can now move on to building your AI solution. Building an AI solution may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down. Essentially, there are three main routes you can take. Firstly, you could hire a tech team. This would involve bringing on board experts who are well-versed in the world of artificial intelligence. They would be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining your AI system. While this option provides a high level of control, it may be more costly and time-consuming. The second approach is partnering with a tech company. This could be an excellent choice if you're looking for a more collaborative approach. Such a partnership would allow you to leverage the tech company's established expertise and resources. Plus, sharing the risk and reward could be a win-win strategy. The third and final route is using AI platforms. These are software solutions that provide ready-made AI capabilities. They're user-friendly and require little to no coding skills. This is a fantastic option if you're starting an AI-powered business without a tech background. Whichever path you choose, remember that starting an AI-powered business doesn't mean you have to become a tech expert overnight. It's about understanding the potential of AI and harnessing it to create value for your customers. You might be thinking, well, that sounds great, but how do I decide which option is best for me? It all comes down to your specific circumstances. Consider your budget, timeline, technical skills, and the complexity of the AI solution you're aiming to build. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one entrepreneur might not work for another. It's about finding the right balance that suits your business model and your customers' needs. And there you have it. Building an AI solution doesn't have to be a Herculean task. It's about understanding your options, weighing the pros and cons, and making an informed decision. With your AI solution in place, you're ready to launch your business. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Launching your business is just the beginning of your journey. Now, let's dive into the thrilling process of growth and expansion. The first step is marketing. Let people know about your AI-powered business. Use social media, newsletters, blogs, and podcasts to reach out to potential clients. Remember, it's not just about selling your product, it's about telling a story that resonates with your audience. A story of how your AI solution can solve their problems and make their lives easier. Next, focus on continuous improvement. The world of AI is ever evolving. Staying stagnant is not an option. Always be on the lookout for new trends and technologies. Listen to your customers' feedback and make necessary adjustments. Aim to provide a better and more efficient solution with each passing day. As you grow your business, remember that the key to success is to constantly adapt and innovate. Starting an AI-powered business is a journey filled with opportunities and challenges. And as we've seen today, it's a journey you can embark on, even without prior tech experience. We began by understanding AI, peeling back the layers of this transformative technology to reveal its vast potential. We then navigated the process of identifying a business opportunity, using AI as our compass. The next step was validating your business idea. Remember, it's about finding the intersection between what AI can do, what the market needs, and what you're passionate about. Then came the exciting part, building your AI solution. And while it may seem daunting, with the right team and tools, it's entirely achievable. Finally, we talked about launching and growing your business, turning your AI-powered idea into a thriving reality. The future is AI-powered. Your future can be too. So take that first step. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more informative videos on building successful businesses.